Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix the issue when your laptop is plugged in but it is not charging in Windows 11 or 10. First thing you can try is to restart your computer. Try restarting your computer, and after, when the problem is not fixed, try this solution. First, what you can do, go on your Windows icon, right click on it, go on Device Manager. Once open, then you have to go on Battery. Go under here where you say Microsoft ACPI, Compliant Control Method Battery. Right click on it. Then you have to click Uninstall Device. Once you uninstall it, restart your computer and see if it works again. It will automatically reinstall the drivers of the battery. So try that and see if it works. And you're done.